Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn second standards EVS subject, that is a lesson that is a uses of plants. Lesson number 5, uses of plants. Okay? Yes. In the last lesson we learn plants around us. In that lesson we learn the types of plants. Yes, na? Yes. Types of fruits, types of flowers. Yes, na? Yes. So, today we are going to learn uses of plants. Yes, uses of plants. Plants are very useful to human and animal. Without plants, there would be no animals or human beings on the earth. Plants is very useful for human being and also animals. And if the plants is not there, then our life is not there. Because plants gives to all things for us. Okay. Well, how useful plants for us? Now we have studied about it. Plants provide the shelter. Plants provide the shelter. Trees provide a shelter for many animals. Birds, squirrels, and monkeys live on a trees. Insects such as butterflies and bees live on a plants. Big trees provide the shade for humans and other big animals. See, this is a plant and this is a big tree. How many animals living on this one tree? See, here is a birds, squirrel also. Here is a birds, this, and here also squirrel, honeybees is there also, butterflies here, monkeys also in big trees they are live, and most of animals live the shade of also in trees. Okay, let us see plants. This is the first uses of plants. Plants provide shelter. Now second is there, plants clean air. All living things need air to live. Plants purify and clean the air. To make their food, plants take in impure air and give out the pure air into the environment. See, very useful this is. The plants purify and clean air, and he make their food. Plants take impure air and give out a pure air into the environment. Air is a very important for us. That is a life for our human being and animals also. Okay. Now let us see third uses of plants. Plants provide us food. Plants provide us food. All animals depend directly and indirectly on plants for food. Animals such as deer, giraffes and cows eat the plants directly. Meat-eating the animals such as lions and tigers eat animal that eat plants. Okay. All animals, they are depending on the plants for food, but animals such as deer, giraffes and cows eat the plants directly, and meat-eating animals, yes, such as lions and tigers, yes, eat the animals that eat plants. So they are depending to directly or indirectly on plants for food. Human beings get the most of their food from plants. We eat the roots of plants such as carrot, radish, turnip and beetroot. Yes. See, here is so many vegetables here. Yes, na? Yes. Like a cabbage, brinjals, capsicum, butter gourd, then cauliflower, yes, onion, many of the here, carrot, cucumber, all types of the here vegetables. Okay. We eat the underground steam of the potato and the ginger. We eat leaves of spinach, coriander, lettuce and cabbage. We also eat underground steams, potato and ginger. We also eat leaves, the spinach, coriander, lettuce and cabbage. We eat flowers of cauliflower and broccoli. We eat fruits of plants such as mangoes, cucumbers, apples and bananas. See here also they are showing the picture of all fruits. Here is watermelon, grapes, strawberries. Here is also grapes. Then lemon, bananas, mangoes. More than apples, more than fruits is they are showing here. In this way, all human beings live on plants that they use for food for plants. Yes, na? Yes. We eat the seeds of plants such as peas, beans, rice, wheat and maize. See here they are showing the many types of the seeds. The plants of seeds we use for food: peas, beans, rice, wheat and maize. We get oil from the seeds of plants. Yes, you know which types of seeds we have used in oil? Yes. Anyone guess? Yes, sunflower oil. Then yes, peanuts, cashews. Yes, na. Then rice also, soya beans also, groundnuts also, mustard, sesame. More than types of we have used the seeds for oil. We get the oil from the seeds of plants such as sunflower, groundnuts, mustard and sesame. We get a tea from the dried leaves for the tea bush. We get the coffee beans from the coffee plants. Cocoa is made from the bean or seed of the cocoa plants. See how many uses of the plants for us in a food. Plants as a medicines. We also use plants as a medicines. Many plants such as aloe, mint, tulsi, garlic, ginger, turmeric, poppy and cinchona are medicinal plants. Many medicines are made from the various parts of these plants. See how many uses of plants as a medicines. Yes, na? Yes. Regularly we have used in our food daily dinner, lunch and breakfast. The mint, tulsi, garlic, ginger, turmeric. Yes, na? Yes. Same like many of the things, many of the leaves of plants we have used in medicines. Okay? Yes. Other uses of plants, the plant's product. The plant product means the wood from the trees is used as a fuel. We use the wood from the walnut and the teak to the build homes and make the furniture. See how many uses of the plants. We get rubber from the rubber tree and gum from the acacia tree. Paper is made from the soft wood of the trees like pine and fir. The stem of the bamboo plant is used as a supports, fence and shades and also to make a paper. See how many uses of the plants. In the plants product we use the many of the make of furnitures like the wood from plants of walnut and teak and build home, make the furniture different type of. We get the rubber from by a rubber tree, gum from acacia tree, paper is made from the soft wood of trees like a pine and fir. The stem of the bamboo plant we use the supports, fence and shade and also to make the paper. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Next, fiber. Plants such as jute, cotton and flax give us the fiber or the thread for making the cloth and various other the product. The fiber means we are regularly used of our clothes. Yes, na? Yes. The different type of cloth we have used, the bags, jutes, then different type of things we have used making. That all things we have get from a plants. The plants such as jute, cotton and flax give us the fiber or thread for making the cloth and variety of other the product. Now perfumes. Flowers of the plants such as the rose, jasmine and the lavender are used for making perfumes. The plants of the flowers also useful. See how many things useful for plants. The vegetables, leaves, there also flowers also, root also, there steam also we have used. Yes, na? Yes. Like here the flowers also plants such as rose, jasmine and lavender are used to make perfumes. Okay, do you use the? Yes, I know that is that perfumes frequency is very nice. Yes, na? Yes. Let us see next. Plants and soil. Plants hold the soil together with the help of their roots. If there were no plants, the soil would get washed away in the rain. Is again is the useful of plants for the soil. If the plants is not there, then plants hold the soil together with the help of their roots. But if the plant is not there, then soil would get washed away in the rain. So plants is a very important. Yes. How many uses we have used? How many uses we have used in by a plants? Yes, na? Yes. Let us see. We use all parts of the banana plant except the root. The stem and the flowers are used to cooking tasty dishes. The leaf is used as a disposable plate. The fruit is a favorite of all of us. Yes, na? Yes. Let us see splash word, what they are given. Fuel, anything that is burnt to give energy. Fiber means thread made of the plant material. Perfume, sweet smelling liquid removed from the flask. And recall and refresh what? See, plants provide the shade and the shelter to many animals. We get the food from the plants. Plants clean the air. Plant give us the medicines, pepper, wood, gum and rubber. So many such of the things plants give us. Flowers of the plants such as rose are used to making the perfumes. Plants hold the soil together with the help of their roots. Do you understand this lesson? Yes. Now you know what is the uses of plants? Yes, very good. Thank you.